I'm Hosna, founder of Zibatreats, an organic boutique cake shop. My mission is to inspire people to bake healthy at home. Today, I want to tell you about our latest product, a monthly bake at home kit. This is a product that's designed for our busy lifestyles. I'm busy, juggling my family, friends, and career, but I also want to bake healthy at home. With our bake at home kits, each month you receive dry ingredients of a new cake, all in one box. All you need to do is buying a few wet ingredients, follow our recipe, and since everything is pre-measured, in a matter of a few minutes, you'll have a cake mix ready for you to put in the oven. In 45 minutes, you'll have a warm and delicious cake in front of you. 3 things I want to tell you about these kits. 1, the recipe changes every month, but the ingredients always stay organic and not too sweet. 2, it takes you less than an hour to prepare these cakes. 3, the cake serves 10 to 12 slices and it stays fresh for 1 week in the fridge. I'm excited for you to try these cakes. Go to our website, zibatreats.com, see the details, and try your first kits.